just came back from work and just decided to film a video about one of my favorite camera to shoot, and this is the Konica C35. This camera, I got it from Value Village for $20. I know I could have gotten it for cheap, but I really like the look of it, and so I decided to buy it. Never did I know that I would love this camera so much. To start off, and by the way, it comes with a flash. Needs I think 2 AA batteries. It only worked on me just once or twice, but I'll show it later. And it's an old camera, I think from 60s or 70s, but I'll put all the information down below. So it's metal, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so you adjust the ISO here, so you just kind of move it here. Yeah, it's adjustable until 400 or 800. I think, I'm not sure. It's fixed. You cannot adjust the aperture. You just only adjust for the distance. So I got here 1 meter, 1.5, 3, 5, and to infinity. And this one, yeah, as well. And it's made in Japan. Again, you make the adjustments for the distance and the ISO of the film that you would like to shoot. And how to shoot it is, yeah, just dial in, put the film inside first. So this is how it's done. So I think you lift this one up and it opens, and I'll go grab a film. Hold on a second. So I'm back, guys, and I got a film. This is my test film. It's an agfa 200. So I found this inside of my I'll shake there. Inside one of the film cameras that I bought, and it's probably exposed. So this is what I use just to test on most of the cameras that I buy. So back again on how to put the film inside this. I get to do it there. Put it inside one of those lines there. Okay. And how to shoot it. Let's make sure it's all down. Back into you. So it's already cocked, and I shoot. And as for photos, I have lots of sample photos that was shot using this camera, which will be shown by the next slides coming up. So hope you guys enjoy this video about Konica C35, and I'm pretty sure that there's lots of versions of C35 because I saw a black version also with autofocus. I'll show the picture also in the following slides. But there's lots of version of this Konica C35, and also lots of, I'm not sure what the original, but this one I'm really happy. It's small, it's light, it's durable, and so that's why this is one of the favorites for sure. Alright guys, please like and subscribe for more videos regarding testing of cameras, because I really enjoy doing it. But with your support, that gives me more motivation to do videos like this. Anywho, it's good night for me, and have a good day, night to you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, and see the next slides please. Alright, bye.